Hello everyone. Today we are going to study second chapter from civics of class 6, that is national symbol and national integration. In this lesson we will learn about the uniqueness of our national flag, as well as we will understand what are the rules of our national flag, and we will came to know about the national integration and the factors that promote to the diversity in India. Now let's start with the chapter. First we will see what is national symbols. Generally, a country uses a symbol which reflect its culture and heritage. They are called as national symbols. Most importantly, the national flag and national emblem are called as national symbol. Here, national flag and national emblem, these two things are called as national symbol. Every nation has its own national anthem. Similarly, India also has its national animal and national bird. These are useful in creating patriotism and national integrity among the citizens. These things, these symbols which represent our country, these symbols are helpful to promote patriotism and love and affection towards the country. That is called as the feeling of patriotism, and it also promote integrity, means unity among the Indians, like national anthem, national emblem, national flag, national animal, national birds, all these things are called as national symbols. Now first, under this we will see about our national anthem. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. It was written in 1911 by Rabindranath Tagore in Bengali language. Out of the 5 stanza, the first stanza was adopted as our national anthem by the Constituent Assembly on 24 January 1950. This our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore in the year 1911, and the language is in Bengali language. It requires 52 seconds to sing the national anthem. Whenever we are singing the national anthem, we should complete our national anthem in within 52 seconds. On some occasions, the first and the last lines only are sung. It requires 20 seconds. It is the duty of every Indian to respect the national anthem. Showing disrespect and hindrance its singing are considered as punishable offense under the law. We should show respect towards our national anthem. How we can show the respect? Standing erect in discipline while singing the national anthem, and singing with flawless pronunciation. Our pronunciation will also be correct, and when national anthem is singing, we have to stand. By following these 2 steps, we can give respect to our national anthem. Next we will see, after national anthem, national flag. Our national flag, the flag is the emblem of the nation. It is the proof of freedom, patriotism, unity and allegiance to the nation. Every citizen is moved heartily when the flag is raised on the pole. Here national flag shows the freedom and patriotism. Repeatedly we came to know India got independence from the Britishers, and after that we have adopted all the things. So this national flag has given more importance to our freedom and patriotism. Now we will see the description of our tricolor national flag, means how many colors are there, what they are showing. We will see now here. Our flag comprises of 3 colors: saffron at the top, white at the center and green at the bottom. At the center of the white color there is a blue colored wheel. The wheel contains 24 spokes. The radius of the wheel is same as the white colored part. As you can see on the screen, our tricolor national flag, which contains 3 colors like saffron, white and green. Now we will see which these 3 colors shows in our national flag. Uniqueness of our national flag. What does the color of our national flag indicates? While the saffron represents selflessness and sacrifice, white color indicates truth, peace and purity, whereas green color is the symbol of faith, fertility and prosperity. It is the symbol of abundant agriculture and industry. The wheel is the reflection of the wheel engraved in Ashoka's pillar of Sarnath. The wheel of Ashoka is also the image of constant movement and progress. These things are in that. What colors they are showing? Green, as yes said, that saffron is for selflessness and sacrifices, whereas white is for truth, peaceful, and green is for prosperity and faith, and the wheel is showing that we have to move continuously. These things contained in our national flag. Now we will see what are the rules of our national flag. The flag should not be dirty or torn. While hosting, the saffron color should be displayed at the top. Should not host any other flag to the height of our national flag. Should be raised till the tip of the pole and host. Always flag should be hosted after sunrise and remove the flag before the sunset and keep it folded. Should not host the flag to the half of its height during national morning. Means if any national things we are at the time of death of the great personalities, when we are hosting the flag, it should be half of the height we have to host. Next point here, while walking, the flag to be held in the right hand. We should hold the flag in the right hand, and the flag should not touch the ground at any movement. These are the rules we have to follow while hosting our national flag. Here with this we have completed our national flag. In our next video we will deal with the national anthem and national birds, and remaining points we will complete. Hope it is clear for you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.